Hello lovies, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Gina, aka Gina Louise. So I'm doing something a little different today. I'm putting up 25 images that are AI images that you see all over the internet, Pinterest, Facebook, and all of these websites that are from China. None of these pieces of clothing that you see are what you get. And I hear people complaining about it all the time. So I figured it would be really fun to have you guys choose. So there are 25 images I put up. They're all AI images. I want you to put a number down in the comments below, letting me know which one you would like me to try and recreate. Okay, let's get started. Image number 1, this beautiful boho desert dress. If this is your favorite, then put a number 1 down in the comments. As soon as I get about 100 choices for one particular outfit, that is going to be the one that I'm going to recreate. So if number 1 is the one you like, put that down below. Image number 2, this gorgeous baby blue turtleneck that's embellished with these pink roses. If this is your favorite, put number 2 down in the comments. Image number 3, this denim blue cardigan, patchwork style with denim blues. If this is your favorite, put number 3 down in the comments. Image number 4, this beautiful dress with the blue denim, the crochet, the frilly bottom. If this is your favorite and you'd like to see me recreate it, put down number 4 in the comments below. Image number 5, this retro blue velvet top with the angel sleeves, gorgeous. If this is the image you'd like me to recreate, put image number 5 down in the comments below. Image number 6, this chocolate brown velvet duster, love it, with the embellishment on the collar, more of a 60s collar with some embroidery. If this is your favorite, put number 6 down in the comments below. Image number 7, this tattered pumpkin sweater. Very cute, all pieced together, very patchworky. If this is your favorite, put number 7 down in the comments below. Image number 8, this painted pumpkin face hoodie. If this is your favorite, put image number 8 in the comments below. Image number 9, this sexy suede skirt that ruffles and opens on the side with lace peeking through. If this is your favorite, put image number 9 or just the number 9 in the comments below. We are all super excited to see what image you guys pick. Which was your favorite garment that I posted? Okay, let's continue. Number 10, these beautiful frilly ruffled legs pants. These are jeans with pink roses and other embellishments. If 10 is the one that you love, put it down in the comments below. Image number 11, I don't know how this one got in here. I already did this one. If you missed that video, I will link it in the bottom. So go check that one out. We already did that one. Image number 12 is this light blue embellished hoodie. Very pretty, soft and feminine. If this is your favorite and you'd like to see me recreate number 12, put number 12 down in the comments below. Okay, image number 13, these adorable lace ruffled embellished bloomers. These are bloomers, not pants. Super cute, very MP style. If this is the one that you'd love to see me recreate, put number 13 down in the comments below. Number 14, these beige linen pants that have crochet patches and lace on them. If this is your favorite and you'd like to see me recreate it, please put a number 14 down in the comments below. I'm super excited to see which one you guys pick. Image number 15, this bohemian maxi dress, very flower child like, very pretty. If you'd like to see me recreate this dress, put number 15 down in the comments below. Image number 16. These beautiful slouchy white pants covered with 3D roses. Very pretty. If you'd like to see me create this one, put 16 in the comments below. I feel like I'm playing bingo calling out these numbers. Number 17 is this oatmeal colored sweater with 3D roses, crocheted roses, and a sheer ruffle coming out of the bottom. If you want me to recreate that one, put number 17 in the comments below. Number 18, lace-covered drawstring linen pants. Very pretty. If you want to see me recreate these pants, put number 18 in the comments below. Number 19, this asymmetrical ruffled top. If you want to see me recreate this top, put number 19 in the comments below. Number 20, these country western style rose altered jeans. If you'd like to see me recreate these jeans, put number 20 in the comments below. Number 21, tie-dyed fishnet covered overalls. If you'd like to see me make these overalls, put number 21 in the comment below. Number 22, these rose embellished pretty in pink jeans. If you'd like to see me reproduce these jeans, put number 22 in the comments below. It's so funny because I have this urge to yell bingo after every number that I call. I feel like a bingo announcer right now. Number 23, Army and Jeans Smash Up. So cool. If you'd like to see me make this Army Jeans combo pants, leave a 23 in the comments below. Number 24, these super duper bell bottom jeans with all this lace and trim and crochet and flowers. If you'd like to see me make these cool jeans, leave a 24 in the comments below. And finally, number 25, this pastel ombre butterfly wing fairy dress. If you'd like to see me make this dress, leave a 25 in the comments below. And now let's do a little quick recap of the 25 images so that I can refresh your memory and you could pick the one you like. You can even put your second favorite choice if you like, because I really would like to continue doing this challenge. I think it will be a lot of fun. I think it'll be fun for you guys to learn how to do some of these, and I think it'll be fun for me to learn with you. Now for the recap.
Grandma's hands were rough but kind, worked the needle through the time. She taught me stitches and told me tales of patchwork hearts and how love prevails. Through scraps of fabric, memories bloom in her little kitchen's glowing room. Her voice a thread that spun me whole as I stitched my heart and sewed my soul. Stitch by stitch I bring to life, colors dancing sharp as a knife. Grandma's lessons I still hold tight, creating love under soft moonlight. A button here seemed just so. With every piece I learned to grow. Life's not perfect patterns to trace, but beauty hides in a patchwork place. She said create when the world feels cold, make something new from the tales you're told. Thread your dreams and stitch them tall, even the smallest seams can stand it all.
Hi lovies, it's Gina from Gina Louise Designs, and I have some incredible news to share with you. I am officially in the running to be the next style icon with Elton John. And guess what? I am in first place, but I need your help to stay there. Let's show the world that heart, creativity, and passion never go out of style. Thank you so much for all your support. I love this community. It's just one of the happiest parts of my life. So if you could take 30 seconds and just click the link below and vote for me, I would appreciate it so much. Thanks for watching.
Stitch by stitch, I bring to life. Colors dancing sharp as a knife. Grandma's lessons I still hold tight. Creating love under soft